Hi, I will show you how to take photos on an iPhone using a blue screen in the background. You can download a free app called Musimage. With Musimage you may take videos as well as photos. Although this app has many filters and features for photo and video, the one feature that I like most is blue screen. With blue screen you may replace any background in a picture or video of your choice. Musimage features 44 color filters in real time, 6 adventure filters, 7 film filters, 6 black and white filters, 6 low-mo filters, 5 documentary filters, 4 light leakage filters, and 10 movie filters. It also has 33 camera lens filter and special effects filters, 5 lens filters, 6 distortion filters, 7 art filters, 5 weather filters, and 5 equipment filters. Setting up blue screen is quite easy. You may choose a background picture from your Photos app. Nice and easy. Have a nice day. If you would like to see more videos related to Macintosh computers or Apple products in general, please go to my channel, Addicted to Macintosh, and look at the playlists. There are many videos on many different Apple products, including macOS High Sierra. You can also check my Bootcamp playlist. There are many videos on how to install Windows XP, Windows 7, Windows 8 and Windows 10 on a Macintosh. Check it out. Addicted to Macintosh YouTube channel. Hundreds of Apple-related videos uploaded. Thank you for sharing, subscribing, liking, and viewing.